Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 8th of October 2018, and guys, we have another successful day with forex trading, and I'm going to start today's discussion from Great Britain Pound USD. So guys, I have supplied the bearish trend in case of Great Britain Pound USD. 130836 was the entry and 130164 was the target price. However, you can see we have a big drop on Great Britain Pound USD today, and it has went down up to, let me put the line here, 130284. So those subscribers who have taken the benefit from this range, they must have collected a very good profit by trading Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, now let's talk about the weakness that we have seen today on Great Britain Pound JPY. We have a massive drop, and the bearish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from 148893, and the target price was 148128. And guys, you can see right from the entry we have started the downward trend, and we have a big drop on Great Britain Pound JPY, and it has went beyond the barriers of the target price as 148128. So I congratulate all those subscribers who have taken the sell positions today on Great Britain Pound JPY. They must have collected a very good profit. Okay, next I'm going to talk about the Euro JPY. Our downward trend was supplied from 130884, and the target price was 130180. And guys, the big drop is here on the screen. You can see we have a big drop on Euro JPY. Right from the entry it was closed below, and there was a chance to take the trade, and you can see that it has massively gone down with no problems. And if you have traded this one, then you must have earned a very good profit by trading the pair. Okay, so guys, one signal that isn't expired at the moment, it's on the way, that's AUD USD. A bullish trend was supplied from 070643, and 071167 is the target price. However, you can see that we have just break the entry again, and AUD USD is pumping up. So guys, if it continues its bullish pattern like this, then it can go up to, let me put the line here, just a second. Okay, then it can went up to 071167. So be careful about AUD USD, it's gathering the upward momentum. Okay, not going to talk about the losing trades, and we are going to talk about USD Canadian dollar. So guys, this is also on the way. A trade 129721 was the bearish entry from my side. If you look at here, the entry is break, and guys, the target price is 129028, and if it continues its bearish pattern like this, then it can reach out toward that price. USD Canadian dollar is getting weaker. If you look at the chart, then it's getting a rejection on the basis of 1 hour chart. Okay guys, moreover, for the newcomers, let me explain about the trading system. When you see that the candles are making the bullish pattern inside the lower red boundary, then that's the time to buy the pair. Look here, the market started to go up, and finally it went up, then it touched the blue boundary, that's also the overbought levels, and from here the market was getting the rejection, and you can see that the market has went down, and this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, the scalper has also pointed you a sell signal at the top overbought levels, and that was the right signal, because after that signal you can see that a USD Canadian dollar has put itself down. Okay guys, so this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.